Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. If you love gadgets and anything cutting edge, you're in the right place. Today we're going to dive into the top 11 coolest gadgets that are worth seeing. From the mind-blowing to the totally futuristic, these gadgets are taking innovation to a whole new level. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. So, buckle up, because you're about to see some of the coolest tech out there. 11. Dockcase Smart USB-C Hub 8-in-1. The Dockcase Smart USB-C Hub 8-in-1 is a premium multifunctional hub designed to enhance productivity and connectivity for laptops, tablets, and other USB-C devices. With its sleek aluminum alloy construction and built-in display screen, the hub offers both durability and real-time performance monitoring. It features a comprehensive set of ports, including one USB-C power delivery PD port for up to 100-watt charging, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports for fast data transfer, an HDMI 2.0 port that supports 4K edgy 60Hz video output, a gigabit Ethernet port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and SD micro SD card readers. The standout feature is its smart display, which provides live information on power status, network activity, and connected devices, giving users better control and visibility. Designed with safety and efficiency in mind, it also includes built-in safeguards against overcurrent. 10. OXS Thunder Pro. The OXS Thunder Pro is a compact yet powerful gaming soundbar designed to deliver an immersive audio experience for gamers and multimedia enthusiasts. Certified with Dolby Atmos, it provides 2-channel surround sound, utilizing 8 precisely tuned drivers, including 2 up-firing woofers and 4 passive radiators, to create a rich 3-dimensional auditory environment. The 2-inch LCD screen serves as a portal to various applications, providing real-time information and enhancing user interaction. Pre-installed with 10 applications, such as Pomodoro Timer, Weather Station, stock price and cryptocurrency trackers, and game emulator. The mini dock caters to both work efficiency and leisure. Users can develop and share custom applications through the Vobot app gallery. The Vobot mini dock is a compact and versatile accessory designed to enhance your digital workspace with seamless connectivity and portability. Despite its small size, this mini dock packs a punch with a range of essential ports, including USB-C, HDMI, USB-A, and SD card readers, making it an ideal solution for professionals and students alike. Whether you're connecting to a second monitor, transferring data, or charging your devices, the Vobot mini dock offers reliable performance in a sleek, minimalistic design. Its plug-and-play functionality ensures quick setup without the need for drivers or additional software, which is especially convenient for users on the go. Built with durable materials, the Vobot mini dock is not only stylish, but also engineered to withstand daily wear and tear. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, from laptops and tablets to smartphones, supporting both Windows and macOS operating systems. The TerraMaster D8 Hybrid is a high-capacity direct-attached storage DAS solution designed for professionals and enthusiasts seeking flexible and powerful data management. Combining 8 bays, 4 for traditional 3.5 2.5 SATA hard drives and 2 NVMe SSD slots, the D8 Hybrid offers a hybrid architecture that balances large storage capacities with ultra-fast data access speeds. This design makes it ideal for demanding applications like 4K video editing, photography, and large-scale backup solutions. It supports up to 44 star and 104 terabytes of raw capacity, using 18 terabyte HDDs in each bay, while the NVMe SSDs can be configured as cache to dramatically accelerate read-write performance. The D8 Hybrid connects via a high-speed USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface, offering up to 10 GB of PATS bandwidth for rapid data transfer. Compatible with Windows and macOS systems, it supports hardware RAID modes including RAID 0, 1, 5, 10 JBOD, and single disk. The DTX10 3-in-1 digital tape measure is a versatile and innovative tool designed to make measuring tasks faster, easier, and more accurate. Combining traditional measuring tape with digital precision, it features a retractable tape measure, a laser distance measure, and a digital display that reads measurements in real time. The laser function can measure distances up to 100 feet, making it ideal for large rooms or hard-to-reach areas. The digital screen displays both metric and imperial units, allowing users to switch between formats depending on their need. Its compact, ergonomic design fits comfortably in the hand and includes a built-in memory function to store multiple measurements for future reference. The DTX-10 also offers a level tool and a built-in calibration feature to ensure consistent accuracy. Whether you're a professional contractor, interior designer, or DIY enthusiast, this 3-in-1 tool helps eliminate guesswork. The Varjo XR4 is a cutting-edge mixed reality headset designed for professional use, offering an unprecedented level of immersion and precision. Targeted primarily at industries such as engineering, design, healthcare, and training, it stands out for its superior visual fidelity, with a resolution that surpasses other headsets in its class. The XR4 boasts a unique 115 degrees field of view, featuring a combination of a high-resolution virtual display and real-time pass-through for mixed reality experiences. This blend of virtual and real-world elements allows users to interact seamlessly with digital content, while maintaining awareness of their physical environment. One of the standout features of the XR4 is its human eye resolution, meaning the display offers the sharpness and clarity of human vision. This is achieved by utilizing a proprietary technology that enhances the visual experience, especially in applications that require highly detailed views, such as CAD design or complex simulation. Moreover, the XR4 includes advanced eye tracking, which enables more intuitive control and offers new possibilities for user interaction and data collection.
5. Godox Verso M2. The Godox Verso M2 is a versatile and innovative wireless microphone system designed for content creators, filmmakers, and vloggers. Known for its compact design and high-quality audio capture, the Verso M2 offers both reliability and convenience. It operates with a 2.4 GHz frequency, ensuring clear and stable signal transmission, even in challenging environments. The system includes both a transmitter and a receiver, which are lightweight and easy to mount on cameras, smartphones, or other recording devices. One of the standout features of the Verso M2 is its noise-canceling technology, which effectively filters out unwanted background noise. 4. Colite Programmable Keypad. The Colite Programmable Keypad is a sleek and versatile device designed to enhance productivity, gaming, and streaming experiences. Equipped with a customizable knob and 4 programmable mechanical keys, this keypad allows users to tailor the device to their specific needs, whether for work or play. Ideal for gamers, streamers, and content creators, the Colite Programmable Keypad offers a range of features to streamline workflows. Users can assign up to 50 different shortcuts to the keys, improving efficiency by quickly accessing functions and commands. Its integration with popular streaming platforms like OBS, Twitch, and YouTube makes it a powerful tool for controlling scenes, muting microphones, or managing other live streaming tasks. The keypad also includes a 1.28-inch TFT screen that provides real-time system monitoring. The Trox Beeper Power Bank is a compact and reliable portable charging solution designed to meet the needs of modern tech users. With a sleek, lightweight design, it ensures ease of portability, allowing users to charge their devices on the go. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or other USB-powered gadgets, this power bank provides ample power to keep them running throughout the day. It boasts a substantial battery capacity, typically ranging from 10,000 mAh to 20,000 mAh, ensuring multiple charges before needing to be recharged itself. 2. Moondrop Space Travel. The Moondrop Space Travel earbuds are a budget-friendly true wireless stereo TWS option that deliver impressive features for their price point. Priced around $24, they aim to provide a high-fidelity audio experience without breaking the bank. Featuring a sleek, open storage charging case with a transparent lid, the earbuds sport a long stem design reminiscent of the Moondrop Nikoke. They come with multiple ear tip sizes, and users have found that pairing them with third-party options. The OnePlus Watch 2, its 46mm size ensures a comfortable fit, and the watch has undergone military-grade testing for durability, making it suitable for various environments. Equipped with a dual chipset system, Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 and BES2700, the watch delivers efficient performance and impressive battery life. Users can expect up to 4 days of use with the always-on display turned off, and between 1.5 to 2 days with it on. The OnePlus Watch 2 features a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with an always-on display (AOD) option, providing clear and vibrant visuals for notifications and apps. Offering comprehensive health monitoring, The watch tracks metrics such as heart rate, blood oxygen levels, VO2 max, and that's our list of the top 11 coolest gadgets that are worth seeing. Which one blew your mind? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome tech updates. Until next time, stay tech.